Hello, everyone. I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. And please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. In this video, I would just like to do a quick video to kind of show you some of the new items that are coming out for candles. My store has started putting out some of the new candles for the bake shop. Really excited about that. That's also coming out in body care. It's supposed to be released later this month. I've been prowling my stores trying to get my hands on it. Haven't been able to do that yet. But as soon as I get it, you guys know I will share it with you. But some really beautiful packaging. And I smell the which one is it? The jam one. Oh my gosh. And it smells so good. The Wildberry Jam Donut. And I also really like the whipped coffee. That one smelled nice. And there's a blueberry one that I think I'm definitely going to purchase, the blueberry lavender spritzer. So some of these candles are new and others are just returning with new packaging, but really cute. And I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out to you guys and share it just in case if you don't have a Bath and Body Works where you live, or if you haven't had a chance to make it into the stores yet. Now, these new candles are not on sale because Bath and Body Works is having their semi-annual sale right now. Some really great deals. 50% off, 75% off. I believe the candles, most 3-wick candles, are still on sale for $12.95 in my store. But that does not include new releases. So what do you guys think? Have you smelled any of these? Have you purchased any? I'm kind of on the fence about purchasing candles because I'm also a Scentsy consultant, and at this moment I have just bought like probably 100 wax melt bars that I'm trying to get through, but definitely wanted to go ahead and share this with you. And you guys let me know which one of these you're excited about. If you've already smelled them, which ones you plan on purchasing, that type of thing. I love to know that you guys stopped by my channel, and thank you so much for your time. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.